Alright, hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kai for those of you who are new. In today's video, I'm reviewing this unit that I got from Sunber Hair. It comes from Sunber Hair on Amazon.com. So if you are interested in this unit, I am going to put the description or put the link in the description box below. I've already plucked this unit and I've already applied it. I haven't added any baby hairs because I was going to include that in the video instead. I'll go ahead and give you guys a little bit of detail. I did bleach the knots on this unit and I kind of over bleached it right here on the side. It was specifically on this side, so what I did was I went ahead and added just like a highlight streak in it. So this did not naturally come this way. It was black, all black at first. Like a 1B type of color, and what I did was I went on this side as well and I just added 2 light brown strands on both sides, so it just looked like it was like a design made that way. I also went ahead and added some color to the end as well, so there's a little bit of a highlight with my leftover bleach at the bottom of this wig. So what I'm going to do is add some water and some wrapping set lotion. I call it mousse, whatever. To me, it just helps the curls look a little bit better. So this is air dry right now. It has been combed out a little bit, so that's why the curls don't look as great. Hopefully you can see the highlight that I am referring to. So I'm going to go ahead and add some water to it. Nothing too much because I don't want it to be soaking wet, but I want it to have a little bit more curl to it so it doesn't look like shaggy at the end. You know how curled hair looks. If you comb it out, it just starts to look a little bit funny. So I'm just going to add some of this too. It just gives it like a better look, and then make sure you get it on your ends so the ends don't look all shaggy. Now I'm doing this right here because I kind of want it to be just a little bit more full at the top. I don't want it to be super flat looking, so I'm just trying to add a little bit of height to it just to make it a little less flat. Now I'm going to attempt to add some edges, even though I'm not really sure how I want to do this, but we're gonna see. Don't talk about my comb, y'all, because it's missing a bunch of teeth. Then I have this old little toothbrush that I'm going to use. Perfecto. And then I'm going to go in and add my little powder to my part. Alright guys, so the unit that I am wearing today, I did get it from Amazon. Sunber Hair did send it to me complimentary, so I do want to say thank you to them for doing that. So how this is described on Amazon is the Sunber Glueless Deep Wave Lace Front Wig, 18 inches, and it's unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, and it says that it was pre-plucked with baby hairs. I'm going to say that it was not pre-plucked at all. I mean, but that's obviously something that you can do yourself, but it was not pre-plucked. I would say for anyone's liking. It just had a very thick hairline to me, and There weren't any baby hairs either. The baby hairs, I had to create that myself and cut them. So yes, I did like OD plucking to this unit, and not complaining about it. I'm just saying that I don't think that should be described on the title of the wig. Now this is an 18-inch unit. I'm 5'7", so this is how long it is on me. Probably stops like right here at the boobs, and like I said, it does come in 1B. I added the color to the ends as well as to the front. You do have to bleach the knots as well. The knots do not come pre-bleached. It's an easy lace frontal to bleach. I would say that the lace is kind of tight as far as when you pull it down on your head. I'm not sure of my head circumference, so I'm not really sure how big my head is, but I know that it's on the bigger side. I don't think it's average size, let me put it that way. And this unit is very tight. Okay, it comes with adjustable straps. I obviously did not use them since I'm telling you that it is tight. A tight unit. If you have a bigger head, you might have a little bit of trouble with putting it on. Now the type of lace frontal that this is, I do not know the description specifically of what they are called, because I need to educate myself on that a little bit more to know what kind of lace it is. Maybe it might be listed on here. It says it's a 13x4 top Swiss lace. So the lace literally stops where you see my parting space in. Right there is where the tracks start. So I have a little bit of hair pulled over to hide the tracks right there, but as far as like lace space, it's very limited. So you're not going to have like a really deep far back parting space or just a lot to do with your lace in general. Yes, you can wear it middle part, side part, whatever your choice is, you can't do that, but I'm losing my words, but that's like as far back as it will go. The lace color, I know that I did cut it off before you guys could see that. However, the lace is like a medium brown shade, so it did blend well into my skin. I did not have to put any powder, makeup, anything on the lace or tinted or any sort to make it blend into my skin. So yes, it blends into the skin very well. I do have a wig cap underneath that I put some powder on so that it would blend completely and not show my hair underneath the lace, of course. So that's why I did that. I'm sorry, the cap size is a medium cap size, so yeah, maybe that's why it doesn't fit like loose, shall I say. Like I can't adjust it. I literally have to wear it how it comes. Also, I want to throw out there another, it's not bad, but it was shedding, and that probably could have come from the OD plucking that I did. And I did the plucking like that because I just wasn't in love with how the hairline was, so I needed to pluck it to my liking. So that might be why it was shedding a lot. But when I washed it, I was losing like a lot of hair, and I'm still losing some, which I mean, yes, units shed, but I'm just like a really big person on shedding. That's something that's really important to me, and it's something that I pay a lot of attention to. But I think that's all the information you guys might need on this unit. If you are interested in it, I am going to put it down in the description box below. All in all, I do think it's a unit that you should try. It's affordable. It's if you're looking for something human hair related, okay? Because human hair related, of course, it's going to be a little bit pricier than a synthetic unit, but it is going to be on the cheaper side for the length that you're getting. So it's an 18-inch unit. Right now it's on Amazon for $114. There's a coupon that you can use that'll save you 5% off, so it will bring your price down a little bit more. This is what the description looks like on Amazon. I'm sorry that you probably can't see that because my camera refuses to focus. So that is the ending of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any other questions that I did not answer, make sure you leave it in the description box below because I'll be happy to answer the question for you. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. I got lip gloss on my hand.